Parang parang brand ambassador. Hi, Miss Carla. Let's have a photo. Parang parang po kayo ng kulot for today. Partners for life.
May pumps lang po ako.
Okay, before we go to a raffle, picture muna kayo, Sarah and G, and of course, Miss Carla. Pili na lang po kayo. Alam ko, medyo nalito po kayo for today's video. Kung sino si Sarah at sino si Carla, para lang kung pinagbiyak na po, parang magkapatid. Partner for life. Pwede naman makapicture sa mga kulot for today. Hindi lang po ako kulot for today, pero ito na po ako. Yeah. Alright, alam ko na winner na tayo because we have Sarah, G, and Miss Carla, but we're gonna be even more, well, brighter, and we're gonna be having an even more brighter day with the winnings. Of course, the first, did we have the poll already? We're gonna be picking names. Sarah, Miss Carla, please do the